Alright guys, what is going on? Gerb here today, and I'm going to be showing you how to install a tow hook. So some tools you're going to need, guys. You can see I have my bolts right here. You want to match up the size of the bolt. I have a 19 millimeter on one side as well as a 19 millimeter on the other side. So I have my ratchets ready to go to tighten everything, and all you need to do is come in the back of your car here and find like an already somewhat tow hook type thing, and you're just gonna mount it into this bracket right here. So you're gonna go ahead and take your tow hook, find where it's gonna line up right there. You're gonna slide your bolt with a washer through it through the other side, right? And then you are gonna have a provided bracket right here that looks something like this. You're gonna place over that right there, and then you can thread in. You have another washer on the back side, and then you're gonna have your nut right there, so you can put that over it, tighten it just a little bit. So once one side is tightened, you can kind of angle it and position it where exactly you're gonna want it to be. So for this example, like for this instance, I'm gonna want it to be almost flush against the bumper right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten that first bolt, and then I can add the second bolt. Everything should look just like this, guys. You have all your hardware. All you need to do is tighten up the bolts now and position it where exactly you want it, and that is how you install a tow hook right there. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, and remember, never stop wrenching.